Understanding Humanitarian Mission, a guide to compassion and action. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very important and noble topic, humanitarian missions. These are efforts that touch lives and make a significant difference in the world. Whether you're an English language learner or someone interested in global affairs, understanding what a humanitarian mission entails is essential. Let's explore together what it means to embark on a mission of compassion and aid. A humanitarian mission refers to an initiative aimed at providing aid and assistance to people in need, especially in times of crisis, natural disasters, or conflict. The key objectives of such missions are to save lives, alleviate suffering, and maintain human dignity. Unlike other forms of aid, humanitarian missions are driven by the principles of neutrality, impartiality, and independence, focusing solely on meeting human needs without any political, economic, or religious agendas. Humanitarian missions are guided by several core principles. Humanity. The fundamental goal is to prevent and alleviate human suffering wherever it may be found, with a particular emphasis on the most vulnerable populations. Neutrality. Aid is not provided on any side of conflict or political disputes, ensuring assistance is given based on need alone. Impartiality. Help is offered without discrimination according to race, religion, or political beliefs. Independence. Humanitarian actions are autonomous from political, economic, or military objectives. These principles ensure that assistance is provided fairly and without bias, focusing on those who need it most. To bring the concept closer to home, let's look at some examples. Disaster relief. Providing emergency supplies and medical care following natural disasters like earthquakes, hurricanes, or floods. Refugee support. Offering shelter, food, and protection to people displaced by war or persecution. Health campaigns. Conducting vaccination drives or health education to prevent disease outbreaks in vulnerable communities. These examples illustrate the wide range of activities encompassed by humanitarian missions, each tailored to meet specific needs under challenging circumstances. Getting involved in humanitarian missions can be a fulfilling way to contribute to global well-being. Here are a few ways to start. Educate yourself about current humanitarian crises and the organizations working to address them. Volunteer your time and skills with reputable NGOs or community groups. Donate to organizations that support humanitarian efforts, ensuring your contribution goes directly to those in need. We hope this video has shed light on the vital role of humanitarian missions and inspired you to learn more or even get involved. Remember, every small act of kindness and every effort to understand and help can make a big difference in someone's life. Thank you for joining us today. And let's continue to spread compassion and support around the globe.